Alright, got the John Deere Gx345. Anyway, it picked us up and the guy said it'll shut down after an hour, so that's what happened. So just kind of doing some temperature checks. So right at the exhaust, well, it's come down already, but it was at about 300. Manifold heads anywhere from 180 to 160. The block is 180, 74. Oil temp 160 about. Let's check this side. Sorry for the bad camera work. Is that our probably coolant temp, I think? Here's that oil. 183. Heads 183. Exhaust got up to 300. Coil 175. Same with the other side. So just kind of checking to see what's going on. All right, crazy camera work here, so I'll have to figure that out.